Are you excited? Come on. No, sir. Bye. We gotta go get our tickets. Yeah, I know. I see the water. We spent 30 minutes getting a parking spot. Let's go get our tickets, okay? You excited? Oh, Noah, look. Look at the fishes. Yeah, look, cute ones. Do you see those fishes? You looking for sharks? Keep going. Oh, look at the jellyfish, Noah. Look. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Shark. Look at the sharks. Oh, where'd he go? There it is. Or catfish. Oh, no, it's a shark. Look, Noah. Come here. Oh, there it is right there. Oh, shark. You see it? Ooh, look at him. Look right there. Do you see the sharks? Is it scary? I thought you liked sharks. What do you think? Alright. He's drinking water. That's so silly. Huh? Noah, be careful. Careful. What do you think? What do you think? You can't touch the water. Careful. Look at the meerkats, Noah. Oh, here he is. What do you think of them? No, okay. Are you flying? There's the elephants. You tell them hi. Look at those elephants. What do you think? Look, there's a baby one. There's a baby. What do you think? Are they big? Are they big elephants? It's a lemur. Do you see it up there? There's two.
I see a turtle. I see a turtle. I see a turtle right there. You saw a turtle?
Do you see it? No, come here. I'll show you where it is.
Can you see the turtle?
Oh, yeah. They're eating. Come here. Look, the monkeys are eating. You see?
Yeah.
Look. No. There's the orangutan. Say hi, monkey. Look. Noah. Do you see him?
Oh, there's one.
Look at the orangutan.
Is that where they get their things?
Noah, what do you think about the ducks and the turtles? Look, there's turtles and ducks. Noah, be careful, please. They're so cute, duckies. You can't go in the water, you silly. Come here. I gotta get the stroller. Come here, I gotta get the stroller first. Can't leave it here. Look, they're in the water. Look, hi duckies. Say hi duckies. Are you having fun? Hi duckies. Look, they're going to see the turtles. Oh, they're going over there to get food. Are you having fun, Noah? Hey, are you having fun? Okay. Mr. Mute today. Alright, you ready? Keep going? Are you having fun? We have to leave in a little bit, but we still have time. A beetle bug. That's a lion. That's a water fountain. It looks like a lion. Yeah. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? No? Are you having fun? Okay. What are you eating? Pretzels? I love you. I love you.
Is this my
Yeah.
treasure?
Behind the faucet.
Do you want to get that?
Kitty.
So cute. Look at all these stuffed animals.
Kitty.
Oh my goodness. I don't know if there's a kitty. Let's see. There's a lion. Do you see one that you like? Do you see a stuffed animal? Huh? Here's a little one. Look. What about a little lion? What about a little lion?
Kitty.
I don't think they have a kitty. Who's this? Like this one?
The shark.
What about an elephant?
There, see?
What about, let's see, what about this, a polar bear? Polar bear? Color crew? But do you like these little figures? Do you like this? You don't want it? Huh? You want to play? Put it up? You don't want it?
Open it.
No, we can't open it yet. We gotta buy it. Here, hold on to it, okay? Did you have fun? Noah, did you have fun at the zoo? Is that the toy you got? Did you have fun? I love you. You were just so into those toys. Can you say bye? Noah, say bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.